Assalamu alaikum, welcome to back Learn and Grow with Ali. In this video we will learn variables in Python. This is the fourth lecture in your Python full course in 2025. So let's get started on the screen. So the first is that introduction to variables. So what are variables in Python? A variables is a container used to store data in program. Variables is a container that's used in store data, and thinks of it like a box where you put a value. It's a box where you put a value, and you can use that value later. Like if you put a data in your box, you can use this value after a long time, like a letter. And a simple definition is a variable is a name that refers to a value. So this is easy. For example, I will show you examples. No, wait a second. I make a file in this Python. So main.py enter. So now just wait. Now I write examples name is equal to Ali, and enter age is equal to 17. So this is the first example, and these are simple definition variables. So now move on the second. Why do we use variables? This is the second question. Why do we use variables? First is to store data. The second is to use informations, like you want to use information later. So this is the very helpful variables in your Pythons. To make program dynamics, like make program. So the fourth is to perform calculations. So this is the second. I will show you example in your previous course. So let's get started. First I erase this. For example, x is equal to 10 is equal to y is equal to 5. So result is equal to x plus y. Enter print result. That is the simple example. So we move on the third question. Rules. Rules for naming variables. Python has simple rules. First, I am talking about allowed letters A and Z. This is the lower upper letter, and the lower upper letter and the small upper. So that is the A to Z. The numbers is 0 to 9, and the underscore is that. So wait, I will show you example on your VS Code. So first I erase this code. I will show you students. Students name is equal to student name is equal to Ali. Student name is equal to Ali more. $85. So that is very simple. That's allowed in Python. You can use this. Move on the not allowed variables. That's variable name cannot start with the numbers. First is the one name is equal to Ali. That's wrong. The third, the two is the no special characters like name and is equal to Ali. That's wrong. No space. I'm talking about no space. That is student's name is equal to Ali. That's also wrong. Case sensitive. I will show you example. Just wait a minute. Value is equal to 10, and the capital value is equal to 20. That is two different values. Python execute this one and this one always execute the different values because this is upper and lower case. So that is I'm talking. Next I move on the fourth assigning value to variables we use to assignment operator. For example, yes, I will show. For example, city is equal to Karachi. Enter temperature. Temperature is equal to 29 and is hot is equal to true. So that is example. Now move on. So this is our class variables in Python. I hope this is very information for everyone, very interesting for everyone who's watching my video. Inshallah tomorrow we will make video on the data types in Python. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.